Hello, hello, my dear friend. Happy to see you again. Рада знову тебе бачити. I have new rules for you. Маю новенькі правила для тебе. So, prepare your eyes, prepare your ears. Look, listen, learn our rules by heart. Okay, let's get started. Look at my picture and listen to me. I want to show you our new friends, dwarfs, and I want to teach you how to read them. Хочу навчити тебе читати наступні літерки. Look here. Look, my dear friend. Can you see? I want to show you our dwarfs. C, G, and E. Look, listen, and remember. Our dwarf C likes flowers S and K. He can say S and he can say K. Йому подобається, і він може казати звучок С і звучок К. But when? Look. Коли? Дивись. Dwarf C says S before letters E, I and Y. Він говорить S before, перед E, I and Y. Look at these words. City, center, cycle. One more time. City, center, cycle. In other cases, в інших випадках, he says K. Він говорить K. Cat, cot, can, cry. Listen one more time. Cat, cot, can, cry. Our next friend is letter G. Dwarf G likes and says sound J and G. But when? Коли ж він каже? He says J before E, I, Y. Look, gentle, Jim, giant. One more time, перед літерками E, I, Y. Gentle, Jim, giant. But when does he say G? In other cases, without letter E, I, Y. В інших випадках, без літер E, I, Y. Look here. Game, go, green, big, leg. Listen one more time. Game, go, green, big, leg. One more friend, letter E. We know it, but it has a secret. Має маленький секрет. At the end of the word, в кінці слова, when there are other vowels in the word, коли є інші голосні в слові, before letter E, перед літерою E, she is silent. Silent. Вона тихенька. She doesn't say anything. Вона взагалі нічого не говорить. Look. Empty flower. Порожня квіточка. No sound. Ніякого звучка. Look at words. Take. Look. No sound. Take. Bake. like, nose, tune. Listen one more time. Take, bake, like, nose, tune. Silent. Letter E is silent. It is silent. Now, my dear friend, look at our friend S. It's a dwarf S. You know it. He likes sound S and sound Z. He says S and Z. Він каже С, Z. But when? Але коли? There are 3 cases. Є 3 випадки for sound S для звучка S. First one. Number 1. At the beginning of the word. На початку слова. Look. Sad, swim, save, sun. At the beginning of the word, he says S. Sad, swim, save, sun. Okay. Case number 2. Before a voiceless consonant. Перед глухим приголосним. Перед глухим звучком. Stop, spend, ask, task. Look, our voiceless consonants are green. Наші глухі звучки, вони зелененькі. Ц, ц, ц. П, п, п. К, к, к. Dwarf S cannot say Z. Stop. It's very difficult. Дуже складно. Spend. It's very difficult. Дуже складно так сказати. Ask. Task. No, no, no. Listen one more time. Stop. Spend. Ask. Task. And case number 3. After voiceless consonant. Після глухого звучка. Look. Cats, maps, lips. Our voiceless consonants are green. Can you see? Listen one more time. Cats, maps, lips. But when does he say Z? Коли він говорить Z? There are 3 cases. Є 3 випадки. Number 1. Case number 1. After a voiced consonant. Після дзвінкого звучка. Look. Dogs, legs, kids. G-g-g. G-g-g. D-d-d. They are voiced. Вони дзвінкі. It's very easy to say Z. Дуже просто сказати Z. Listen one more time. Dogs, legs, kids. Number 2. Case number 2. After a vowel. After a vowel. Після голосного звучка. Goes, O-O-O. Is O a vowel? O голосний? Yes, it is. Plays, weighs, stays, bees. Look. O, A, E. They are vowels. Vowels. Listen one more time. Goes, plays, weighs, stays, bees. Після голосного читається як з. And case number 3. Третій випадок. Between two vowels. Between two vowels. Між двома голосними. Busy, easy, rosy. Look. E. O, E. Busy, easy, rosy. Between two vowels. Okay, my friend. Look, my dear friend, we have one more dwarf. Dwarf, why? We know why. Ми знаємо why. But it has a secret. У нього є секрет. One little secret. Our friend dwarf, why, likes sound y. And at the beginning of the word, with the next vowel, he says y. На початку слова з наступним голосним він говорить y. Look. Yes. It's a vowel. Це голосний. Yellow. Yawn. Yacht. Yard. It's also a vowel. Це також голосний. You. Your. Yesterday. Yarn. Youth. Year. Yell. Yes. Yellow. Yawn. Yacht. Yard. You. Your. Yesterday. Yarn. Youth. Year. Yell. My dear friend, please refresh your sounds and letters. Refresh previous rules, попередні правила, and learn new rules by heart. І вчи нові правила на пам'ять. Good luck to you, my friend. See you soon.